Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use crying filter on Instagram. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Play Store and search here Instagram and update your Instagram application so that you have advanced filters. Then you need to go back and open your Instagram application. Once you open Instagram, then you need to click on your story and then you need to click on camera, and here you need to swipe in the bottom. Okay, you need to swipe until the end, and then you need to click on browse effect, and here you need to click on the search in the top right and search here crying, and here you need to scroll down and you will find this crying filter that you can use. You can select anyone according to your choice. So for this video I am going to use this one, crying, and if you want you can click on try it, and if you want to save you can click on save, and now it is saved, and you can use that to make a video with crying filter on Instagram. So by following these steps you can easily use crying filter on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.